So I'm going to stop up here somewhere and just experiment and change it over and see what it's like. So I'm going to take this exit here and I'm going to pull over and stop somewhere on this off ramp. Should have stopped there, but I'll get away from the traffic on the freeway. Yeah, this will do. I'll stop here. I put it on stereo. Stereo is normally if you are just walking around, I think, or maybe inside, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm going to put it on stereo and we'll have a look and have a comparison when I download it onto the computer and see what it's like. Alright, let's get home. 9.2 kilometres to get home. Oh. Not sure what that was on the side of the road back there, or on the middle of the road. Some poor little animal that wasn't quick enough. Alright, let's turn right here, cross over the freeway, and as soon as we get over the freeway we're going to do a sharp left and follow the service road.